Hey everyone and welcome back. Today we are delving into steps on how you can easily download GTA 5 on PC using Epic Games. So without wasting your time, let's get started. After signing up and creating an account on Epic Games, you will be seeing the main dashboard as follows. Here you can see on the top navigation, there is a search bar. Now here you have to type GTA 5 and the very first game you will see is Grand Theft Auto 5. To download this game, you just have to click on the Buy Now option. This will redirect you to the payment dashboard. Now choose the best suitable payment method you have, such as credit card, PayPal or Epic Games Wallet. Provide the relevant credentials and hit on Pay Order option. Now that you own the game, let's go back to library session of Epic Games. Here you will be seeing GTA 5. Just click on that game and hit install. And that's it. You have GTA 5 on your PC. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. See you in the next one.